When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Those who walk with God always reach their destination. Businessmen go down with their businesses because they like the old way so well they cannot change. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. As we serve our jobs, we serve the world. One who fears failure limits his activities. Failure is only the opportunity to more intelligently begin again. The farther we get away from the land, the greater our insecurity. A man's real education begins after he has left school. True education is gained through the discipline of life. This company doesn't pay anybody. Only customers can do that. The company merely handles the money. An educated man is not one whose memory is trained to carry a few dates in history, he is one who can accomplish things. Life is a series of experiences, each one of which makes us bigger, even though sometimes it is hard to realize this. Money the root of all evil, unless used for good purpose. Almost all enduring success comes to people after they are 40. For seldom does mature judgment arrive before then.